All right, welcome back to the channel, everyone. Hopefully you guys are having a great rest of your day, start to your day, whatever time it may be. And in this video, we are gonna be taking the ProCharged Shelby GT350 up to the cat scale to see if all the weight reduction was worth it or not. If you guys are excited, feel free, drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn on those post notifications to stay up to date. And let me know down in the comment section right now how much you guys think this car is going to weigh after a number of weight reduction modifications done. All right, let's go ahead, get a cold start. We got dumps. I waited till, you know, it was a little bit later in the day. It's like 9:30, something like that. Everybody gone, so I don't want to be a nuisance. 3, 2, 1, it's about to be crazy loud. Oh, service advanced track. Fuck. I've not turned this car on since I did the hard pulls, which was like 2 days ago. 1 day ago for y'all. Detailed, but oh my gosh, you guys probably can't even hear me. It's probably worse. I gotta get this car detailed because this week has been terrible as far as weather. It's been raining like every single day. It's supposed to be raining right now, but it's not, which is why I'm getting this done now before the rain does start. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, it sucks, but then we're gonna get a cold front, so I'm gonna probably get the car detailed. I don't know if I'm gonna do it today because if it starts to rain tomorrow, waste of time. I might just do it like Sunday, potentially. Probably get it detailed on Sunday. We'll see, we'll see.
A few moments later.
All right, we're headed out to the cat still. This guy wants to race, but my car is not even warmed up, so I can't do it. And there was a cop back there. This guy's pacing me. Hey, brother, man. I appreciate you checking out the car, but right now is not the time, my man. Right now is not the time. My car is dirty as hell. I appreciate you, brother, man. But I wouldn't do it full for him, but my shit is not warmed up yet. I know if some cop, you know, passed us, he'd probably pop a Yui. Yeah. Dumps are causing like so much NVH though, it's insane. Like, dude, this is like straight up race car right now. Actually, I need to be in this lane. think this car is going to be in the 3,600 pound range because it was 3760 last time I weighed it. Full weight, full exhaust, obviously with the ProCharger on it, with the drag pack, at a full tank of gas. Now when I was stock wheels full weight, it was actually the same weight, believe it or not, half a tank of gas. So now I'm pulling up with a half a tank of gas, less weight in the car. We're going to actually see exactly how much this car weighs. All right, we're about to pull up to this truck stop real quick. Hopefully there isn't a lot of trucks. If there is, we're gonna have to wait. Obviously, I ain't trying to be that guy. Alrighty, y'all. How much y'all think this gonna weigh? Let me know. Watch, it weighs like the same. Didn't even know this truck stop broke. Oh, it's like vacant. Yes. Pulling up right now. We should be able to just pull up and that's it. There we go. Oh yeah. I feel the damn scale moving. Alrighty. We are on the cat scale. I probably could move it up a little bit, but it's not really gonna matter because, well, you know what? Oh, is he getting on this? He's not. I was about to say, that guy was trying to get on the scale. I would have 100% I would have 100% got off. All right, first gator done. Yep. Press firmly.
Hello, first way rewiring.
Hi.
Hi, is this your first way?
Yes.
And do you have a truck number or what do you want this listed under?
1. Make sure I'm not standing on.
Okay, I got you. Wait, come inside.
Thank you. They probably saw what I was doing, like, this dude tripping. All right. Let's go see how much this car weighs. I'm telling you, I think it's gonna be in the 3,600 pound range. I'll just tell them 1 because there's no way a truck number is like 1 in here. Make too much noise. I know some people are probably sleeping. Look, the alert came off too. That's interesting. I wonder if I can, like, nah, I gotta pop a complete, damn, I gotta pop a complete UE. Yeah, I gotta pop a complete UE, I think. get over there without having to pop a complete U-turn. But it is what it is. I'm gonna catch up with y'all in a second.
One eternity later.
All right, so I just went ahead and got the weight of the car, and all I'm gonna say is it's still heavy. It did lose some weight, and it was about exactly how much I thought it was gonna lose, but the car is still heavy. The car is still heavy. This is probably why people say, you know, Shelby GT350s really aren't like the best like roll car. It's fun as hell, don't get me wrong, but when you're trying to do weight reduction, there's a lot of things that you have to do that you don't want to do, that I'm personally not going to do. But it is lighter, and I don't know if I'm gonna pull the passenger seat out. I might, I'm not too sure, I might, but yeah, it's still heavy. I'm gonna get home because you're not gonna hear me right now. I highly doubt it because I'm right by the highway, but I will go ahead and show the slip. Not too bad. All right, back at the casa, last call. Let me know down in the comment section how much you guys think the Shelby GT350 weighs after some weight reduction, man. Whew. Man. Now, excuse the car being dirty, but we are gonna clean it. We have a Weld Belmont 18x10 in the back. We have a Weld Belmont 20x8 in the front. Anderson's composite carbon fiber hood, and we have a rear seat delete, which I'm looking for a GT350R rear seat delete, but rear seat delete, obviously both seats in here, and we have the exhaust dump from the X-Pipe. So we have the stainless works long tube headers, Ford Performance X-Pipe, and then dumped. This car, after all that, weighs 3,700 pounds. Now before, it weighed 3,760. So the dumps went ahead and saved 60 pounds worth of weight. Nothing crazy. Now, obviously I can go ahead and get this car to like 3,650 by just taking out the passenger seat. Could get it down even more if I was to do a lightweight seat, but in all reality, is it worth it? I don't think so. I really don't think so. Now, the real weight reduction would be to remove these Texas sized rotors, go with some lightweight brakes, a 17 in the front, different brakes in the back, 17 in the back as well, or 15, then I'd see a lot more weight reduction. But as of right now, I think this is where I'm gonna stop as far as weight reduction. I don't think I'm gonna pull out my passenger seat unless I go down to Texas 2K with no passenger whatsoever, because I got a buddy that's actually coming down in like 2 days, which is gonna be pretty dope. We're all gonna go out to Texas 2K. But if I don't have somebody with me, because I'm about to go with the fuel jugs, I might not even have the passenger seat, because at that point there's really no point, because I'm not being responsible for nobody I don't know. So we'll see. But as of right now, 3,700 pounds. The car is still heavy, but hey, you know, we did lose some weight, and I mean, it definitely sounds better. So you know what, that's a dub. That's a dub.